Welcome to our comparison of two popular dishwashers designed for compact living spaces. Today, we will explore the EdgeStar BIDW1802SS, a built-in model that offers a permanent solution for small kitchens, and the Countertop dishwasher, a portable option that provides flexibility and ease of use. We'll dive into their features, installation requirements, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. The EdgeStar BIDW1802SS requires a permanent plumbing installation, making it a more complex option that may necessitate professional help. In contrast, the Countertop dishwasher offers two flexible installation methods. You can connect it directly to a faucet or use a bucket for water absorption, making it ideal for renters or those with limited installation options. The EdgeStar BIDW1802SS has a tall and narrow design, standing at 32.5 inches high, which allows it to fit into smaller kitchen cutouts. On the other hand, the Countertop dishwasher is much shorter at 18.1 inches, making it perfect for placement on countertops without taking up too much space. This difference in size can significantly impact your kitchen layout and usability. When it comes to pricing, the EdgeStar BIDW1802SS is priced at $519, reflecting its premium features and built-in design. In contrast, the Countertop dishwasher is much more budget-friendly at $359.29, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money while still getting a functional dishwasher. This price difference can be a significant factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the EdgeStar BIDW1802SS and the Countertop dishwasher have their unique advantages and drawbacks. The EdgeStar offers a seamless built-in solution for those with permanent kitchen setups, while the provides portability and flexibility for renters or those with limited space. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two options. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.